This video shows how to take apart the HTC Incredible Droid 2, or as called in Europe, the Incredible S. The first thing to do is remove the back cover from the phone, the battery, memory card if you haven't already done so. Next, using a Torx 5 screwdriver as available on the repairsuniverse.com website, remove the screws as being shown here now in the video. With all the screws removed, use a safe open pry tool to release the clips along the edges of the casing to remove the back section from the rest of the phone. Next, using a safe open pry tool, release the two ribbon cables as being shown here now in the video. Open the jaw connectors and then release the ribbon. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the two small screws as being shown here now. Next, using the safe open pry tool, release the vibrator motor as being shown here. You can now lift the motherboard and ease to the side, being careful as it is still connected with ribbon cables underneath. Using the safe open pry tool, open the jaw connector and release the flex ribbon cable. You can then remove the motherboard. With the motherboard released, turn the screen over and start heating the adhesive which is holding the glass in place using a hot hairdryer or heat gun. With the glue warmed, use a safe open pry tool to ease the glass away from the rest of the phone as being shown here in the video. Be careful at the bottom as there is the keypad flex cable. Using a hot hairdryer or heat gun again, warm the adhesive at the bottom of the screen which is holding the keypad flex ribbon to the glass. Then, using the safe open pry tool, gently pry the flex cable away from the glass touchscreen digitizer. You can now ease up the glass, but be careful as it is still attached by a ribbon cable at the top. There are two adhesive strips holding the LCD screen to the metal plate as being pointed out here now in the video. Using a heat gun or hot hairdryer, warm this adhesive, making the LCD screen easier to remove. With the strips warmed, using a safe open pry tool, gently ease out the LCD screen. Take this slowly and gently ease the LCD screen away from the backing plate. Once released, you can gently remove the screens from the front housing of the phone. The digitizer flex ribbon is stuck to the back of the LCD screen. You can gently ease that off and then remove the digitizer. Remove the keypad flex cable from the back of the LCD screen. You can now replace the damaged LCD screen.